Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's just start all the pending topic. Like we have completed total 6 benefit of EC2. So today we will start from the 7th. Okay. So 7.1 is the performance and multiple instance types. Okay. This is the 7th benefit of the EC2 instance. So what it means? Like EC2 offers optimized hardware for different workloads. Okay, like for example, like video encoding, you can use compute optimized. For SAP HANA, you can use memory optimized, and you get right hardware for right job. So this is the benefits of the EC2. Okay. Instant category here you can see like for the general purpose you can use web apps, compute optimized, CPU heavy jobs means compute optimized for CPU and heavy jobs you use this one, and for databases we can use the memory optimized. For web apps we can use general purpose. Okay, so in this way EC2 offers the optimized hardware for different workloads. And here you can see for AI ML GPU instances there are the different types which we used. Okay, next one is the auto scaling and load balancing. So this is also very important benefits which should keep it in mind. So what it means like auto scaling and load balancing is it to work with auto scaling elastic load balancer. For example, like 1000 users access websites. Okay, so load balancer distributes traffic and auto scaling adds server. So this is the benefit. Okay. So in this way, there will be no any issue will create like the website will not get crashes because load balancer distributed the traffic and the auto scaling will add the servers. So no single servers will be overload. So it is good, right? Next one is the backup, recovery, and disaster management. So what is it? What it means basically? So you can easily back up and restore servers. Okay. Features like EBS snapshots, AMI, cross-regional backup. This is the features of this backup recovery. Okay. For example, like server crashes. So you can launch new EC2 from snapshots in minutes. Okay. And business continuity guaranteed. So in this case, like server will be crash, like in that case, you can guarantee like your business will be continue. Means your work will not be stopped in between. Suppose server will get crashes because you can launch the new EC2 instances. Okay, within a minute. So this is the benefit of the EC2. Like you can take the backup recovery. Okay. Next one is the so what it means. EC2 is available in many regions worldwide. Okay, so this is the global reach. You can say like EC2 is available in the many regions in the worldwide. For example, users in India, like Mumbai region, users in US, Virginia region. So in this way, you can use the EC2. So faster access and low latency. So suppose those users who are using EC2 were present in India, so they can use the Mumbai region EC2. So in that way, your access will be faster and latency will be low. So this is good, right? Next one is the integration with AWS services. Okay, so EC2 integrates with S3 storage, RDS, database, relational database, okay, CloudWatch for the monitoring, and IAM for the security. So this is the integration with AWS services. Like for the different purpose, you can use this all. So in the EC2 itself, it is integrated S3, RDS, CloudWatch, and IAM. Okay. For example, like EC2 logs, if you want to check, so you can use the CloudWatch. For data, S3, suppose you want to store the data, so you can use the S3 bucket. For the authentication and security purpose, you can use the IAM. Okay. So complete cloud ecosystem. Okay. So this is the benefits of the EC2. Next one is the DevOps and automation friendly. So what it means? It's perfect for CI/CD and DevOps pipelines. Okay. Tools we can use here in the DevOps: Terraform, Ansible, Jenkins, AWS, CLI. Okay, so these all are the tools which we used in DevOps, and it's automation friendly. So, for example, like here, infrastructure created automatically using ISC, infrastructure as a code. Yeah, here you can automatically create. Suppose you want to create infrastructure as a code for the Linux. Suppose the Windows machine, if you have launched the EC2 instance and there you want to launch the Linux, you want to just work on the Linux, write the command of the Linux and everything. So you can just create automatically using the ISC, infrastructure as a code. Okay, so this is the benefit. And faster releases and fewer errors. Okay, so this is the benefit, like you will get the very less error and it will release very faster. You can just launch within a minute. So this is the benefit of using EC2 instance. Okay, so let's discuss the real life analogy. Like you can take EC2 as a renting vehicles. Okay, suppose you have taken any vehicles on the rent. Same like you can just imagine like EC2. Okay, so EC2 here, and here is the real life. So in the EC2 there is instance. So instance in the real life you can compare like a vehicle. Vehicle is the instance. Okay, for the scaling, like rent more cars. Okay, like for the scaling, auto scaling, we add more servers, like right. So in this way, in the real life, you can just take an example: rent more cars. Stop instance, so return car. Okay, and pay as you go means pay per kilometer according how many kilometers you have used these vehicles. So only for that kilometer you have to pay. So in this way you can understand, in this way easy to work. We compare with the real life example. Okay, so I hope it's clear now, like how EC2 is working. Let's discuss the summary, interview ready. What is the overall conclusion of the EC2 instance? So, Amazon EC2 provides a scalable, secure, cost effective, and highly available virtual servers, okay, that can be deployed within minutes and supporting multiple workloads and enabling businesses to scale dynamically while paying only for what they use. So I hope you are able to clearly understand what is the Amazon EC2. Okay, like it's a very secure, portable, scalable, cost effective, and highly available virtual server which you can deploy within a minute. Okay, and only you have to pay what you have used. So this is the benefit of using a EC2 instances. So that's all. Only 12th benefit we have discussed of EC2 instances. So I will just want to let you know, like, please go through this all the benefits once again and try to learn, try to understand what they are saying, where we can use, and how important, how beneficial to use the EC2. Okay, so please go through this, and if you have any doubt, so please write it in the comment. I will just try to answer your questions. And if you have any doubt, you can also search on the chat GPT or Google. Definitely you will get your solution. So that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.